I'm just going to talk a little bit about the art of designing your first lino card. I'm going to give you some design tips that might make the whole process easier and less intimidating. So to start, let's go over some of the tools that we're going to be using. The orange tool is the cutting tool with a variety of blades that you can change depending on how thick you want your cut to be. And to the right we have a piece of lino that's already had some cuts made into it. And behind the cutting tool is the back side of the linoleum with a weave pattern on the back of it. So what I usually do when I'm starting an idea is I start with some sketches. This is some pieces of pear or pictures of pear that in the end have worked out to be a card that takes the simple idea of the pear and turns it into something a little bit more interesting through the cutting and application of color. And this is another example where we have some sea turtles, just some loose sketches, which when I got an idea that I thought was workable, then cut into the linoleum. And as you can see, it's the places that get cut that stay white, and the parts that you don't cut receive the ink that you roll on and transfer onto the paper. Here's another example, a really simple sketch of a squirrel, and you can see that there's not very many cuts made into the linoleum, but the finished product can be quite dramatic when you apply different colors, and the contrast is really what makes it work. So I hope these tips have helped a little bit, and I hope you enjoy yourself.